Alright, we're just about to leave to go to Sydney. And it is currently pouring outside. So if we're playing outside at Darling Harbour in the rain, with no protection from the rain, my gear is gonna get wet. Alright, so we're now in a place called...
Where the periscope.
Where are we?
Holbrook.
Holbrook. Time is currently 8:11. We'll be on the road for about 2 and a bit hours. Pretty good. It's our boss. Okay, it's now 12:30 AM Wednesday, and we've just got into our hotel room, and I'm in this room with David. It's 8:40 in the morning. I had a shower last night, got into bed at 1:45. And by the time I finished my shower and got in my room, Dave was already snoring. And he insisted on snoring until 7 AM. How much sleep I got? 0. Alright, we're 5 minutes away from the venue, stopping at a local petrol station because I had to go to the loo. Oh my gosh! What? 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 Oh!
Like a big plane.
Okay, so we're 100 meters away from the venue. Waiting to find out our registration stuff. This is Harry. Say hello, Harry.
Hello, how are you?
Good, thanks. And there's a few people here so far. And I've just woken up actually. I'm feeling pretty tired. So, yeah. Alright, we're currently in the green room. Oh no, sorry, the change room. And with blue carpet. And over this way we have these to make us look nice, apparently.
I think we played for 45 minutes for the first 15.
We're here.
What do you think, Alex? I didn't hear anything. I like camera.
So I stopped.
We're just two honks and a Negro singing a song. We're just two honks and a Negro serving the Lord.